Hmm. Good morning. Myself, Sachin Bhosle, Head of the Department Information Technology, ICS College, Khed. Online National Level Faculty Development Program. It is called as FDP, organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Sri Premchand Premchand Khemraj Mahavidyalay Savantwadi. I will very much thankful to Principal Bharmal and his teams to invite me as a resource person. Now, a COVID pandemic, education systems are a tremendous changes. How to use ICT in day-to-day education system. My topic is how to go Facebook Live and how to use Microsoft Teams software using use in online lecture. In that case, basic things when we go a Facebook Live, that time we have some basic things. That means you have one email account and one Facebook account. So we will go through my presentation. I will explain you the whole things in Facebook Live and Teams software. Today, first we discuss about the how to create Gmail account. It is a basic things. All knows. All everybody knows how to create Gmail account and how to create Facebook account. But just overview of my before I start my lecture, I overview of how to create a Gmail account, means email account. First, open your browser in some search engine, just like Google. You open browser in Google search engine and type there Gmail. After that, one window will be there. Search engine, search the Gmail website, and first we search Gmail by Google. Then click on that Gmail button. You that time use second screen will be appear. Sign in means if you have email ID, then you enter your email ID. If you don't have email ID, you are create account in that button, create account. After that, you type your first name, last name, what you want username, and password. Password should be 6 character. It should be numbers, it should be capital, it should be special character. What you want, you can put their password and click on next button. After that, after that you can type re password, then you enter mobile number. because your email connected with the mobile number. That's why you enter your mobile number, then you enter your birth date. Birth date, when you create your email id, that time your birth should be 18 years old. You cannot create before 18 years email id. That's why you enter your here checks your birth date. And after that you select your gender, male, female. uh, Second important part, recovery email id. If you lost your password, that time recovery email is important. So say type here another your email id, or nearby friends email id you can use there. And that time when you forgot your password, that time to recover your password also. Then say send message, means when you put your mobile number, that time one message will be there. uh, uh, you can click on send button. That time you received in your mobile one message. It is called as a password, OTP. Then you can one document will be there, terms and conditions. It will be agreed. If you agreed, you can click on agreed button. Then this is your email screen, means when your email will be open, that time your screen will be appear uh, just like him. Gmail gives one email to congratulate you have a new Gmail account. This is the basic things. All everyone knows how to create the email account, but overview of my lectures, I will explain that. Before Gmail account, you cannot email account, you cannot start Facebook Live, you cannot start Teams software. That's why I'm taking this overview. Then how to create a Facebook account. It is the basic things. Also, we discuss about that. In that, how to create a Facebook. If you want a Facebook account, that time you have compulsory a email ID. That's why I'm taking first slide to how to create the email account. Then how to create the Facebook, and what is the use of Facebook. The in begin communication of people together in Facebook, where large scales of people communicate with the people. That's why we create a Facebook. It's totally free, and it's popular with all ages. All ages users use the Facebook. Keep up with the people or care about it. Allow other keep up with the via your post, text, photo, and likes. When you upload your post, many persons see your account and photos and links and various participations. After that, links of articles, chat with you and with other Facebook members, and invite other event if people to use Facebook is the basic social media network site. Then you need to prepare to tell Facebook in your name, birthday, sex, email IDs, etc. etc. You need you one email ID. Before that, I will tell you. You have need access to your email account, because Facebook might send you email to verify who are you. why your email account will be there? It will be verification for the Facebook site. Then you can in Google you type Facebook, then you might have uh, this types of page will be appear Facebook page. First, you have a Facebook account, then you can use uh, username and password and log in there. If you don't have a Facebook account, then you can use sign up button. After that, you can enter. After that, you can enter name, gender, and date of birth. After that, you can click on sign up button. You type here your Gmail account. Previous we created Gmail account. You can type here Gmail account and uh, click on next button. Then your school, college, and education related information, and type here save and continue, because Facebook divided in separate format. That's why you save and continue. After that, you upload your photo. You take your photo, otherwise you can upload your photos in your media, save and continue. Then you get, if you getting this screen, log in with your email id is email id to complete registration process. These types of message will be appear on your screen. You can create a Facebook account. After that, you have uh, like screen like this: home button, find friend, and your button. You click on home button, allow your changes, privacy settings, and access of your account. In Facebook, you you most important tool is the privacy settings and access your account. Who will be check your account, who will be see your account. In that manner, you can select your privacy settings, just like mm, uh, just like public, private, only friends, customized means selected friends. You can select that types of settings to like that. If you select friends, you added friend, then you can see only this post for the your friend. You can select public, then all persons see your post and photos and galleries, everything will be see. Next, visit the privacy section and help under the manage your account, exploring all the features. In that case, you can use the all settings. If you don't have any settings, allow your settings to see everything. Otherwise, you can bifurcate the your account, and you are secure your account using that settings. After that, uh, how to connect future, allowed to control who can see, creating information yourself. In that screen, you can also see the various screens. Sorry, take second. Various screens. Uh, I will explore you. Various options will be there. You can send request for all student, all your friends, students, and family members also. Then you can you can see the these types of button in your home page. you welcome page. Here is the you upload your news feed. This is your welcome page. Here you type email ID and password, find friend, uh, email password, upload photo and educational qualification, your biodata, resume, what you want, you can upload there. If you don't have, you can do not up after that. Then Facebook asks, what is your mind and what are your plan? Means your answer will be there. What is the your plan post? What is your news feed for your students and friends? You can enter their what is it on your mind. Then it will be post for all your uh, related to Facebook friends and family members. Then life of more than the text. You can also post your photos, videos, and links, everything you can post on your Facebook page. And that time you can also set the setting public, friends only, and customize friends only. You can set the that types of setting. After that, after you have some people friend list in their corner, you can see the live friend of this your page. You can click on that button, you can chat with that friend, and he will be chatting with friend. You can see the uh, friends post also. You can see the friends profiles also. Your profile also, friend will be say. Your wall in your profile has your profile information, all the item that you have post plus item by friend whom you have allowed to post on your wall. Everything will be posted in your account. It is that basic things. To upload or change your profile picture also, go to your timeline and mouse over your profile picture. Click on little pencil to edit your picture. Choose whether you want pick a photo already uploaded, take photo, upload a new photo, edit thumbnail, or remove current photo as like you use this utility in Facebook Live, Facebook account. After that, just see edit profile picture. You can edit the profile picture. Uploading the picture, you can create how to upload the picture, how to upload the photo. Upload the photo, create a new album, click on add photo, video, tap on your home page, pick create photo album, pick image you want to upload. To pick multiple photo at once, hold down control button on your PC while clicking a image file. While your file are uploading, add an album little key captions and tag. You can upload thousands picture per album. It is a vast database of social media site. You can always make any photo in your tag in your profile picture. Just find the photo you want to use and click the mask profile picture option below the photo. If you are looking at a friend's photo, you will only see this option if you are tagging the in that the photo. Profile picture are public. It cannot be secure with you. So you when you upload the picture, that time you consider that type. You can add the photo and video. Point to be considered: the minimum age for a Facebook page is 13 years old. Married woman may want to use their mid name and married name, so order friend cannot can reconnect. It's okay to deadline friend request, accept or ignore at your designation dis- discretion. To deactivate your account, click on account setting, security and deactivated account. Take advantages of privacy setting. Easy on the updates, oversharing can be a problem. Every mail it in does not have a status update. Visit help section button. Most pages try to Google your question helps. It is a basic to their basic things before starting my topic. How to go Facebook Live. It is a main topic. Mostly when you use uh, different users, uh, many users use your speech or your lectures. That time you can use huge data. You can go through the Facebook Live. Tap the camera icon to the left your space bar, search bar. Here is the camera. To tap on that camera, you can also go live in your own Facebook profile. You can open up the status bar by tapping the camera and that text what is your mind. What is your mind? Then select go live option from the menu as shown down. In that various options go there, go live. Then give Facebook access to your camera phone and microphone when you promote. If don't allow, then you cannot go the camera live. If allow, okay, you can click on okay button, then you can go through the uh, Google live, sorry, Facebook live. Then X, this screen will be appear. Welcome the Facebook camera, share photo experiences, allow access. You can use the camera mode, live, boom, normal, what you want. You can allow the access. After that, you switch to live on the bottom of your camera screen norm live mode. You can move on live button. Then you can choose your privacy and posting section. Same process earlier we discussed with the privacy section. You can setting only me for, only my friends, only my selected friend, only public means all persons see your Facebook live. Otherwise, you can set their privacy and you can go through the live, start live video. Then add description, write compliant description regarding what you want to telling us. You can add to type description for the Facebook live, and you can go the live. Just one example will be there. There is the live symbol, and how many persons will be connected with us. This will be live section to use the Facebook live. You can use in various functions, just like a gathering, just like a small functions. You can use the Facebook live to live functions to all persons. Those are in Facebook social media site. They can see the how to functions going on. These types of we use the Facebook Live. Then we discuss. It is a small application. That's why I am discussing with the small scale. And now, most important, we discuss about how to use Microsoft Teams. In COVID pandemic, many video conferencing softwares are available in market, just like Zoom, just like InstaVC, Google Meet, many more softwares. But I choose to Microsoft Teams because many persons use Microsoft product, just like Word, Excel, PowerPoint. These Microsoft products are very easy to handle the all types of person. That's why I'm choosing the software Microsoft Teams. And second things is, in COVID pandemic, Microsoft gives a 4 month, I think 4 month free to all educational institute to Microsoft Teams. That's why I'm choosing Microsoft Teams. Now, how to use Teams? First, you download Microsoft Teams software. Then you can starting with Teams. You can use email ID, those we have created in your our last presentation. Then you can enter password, email ID, then create team. Sorry, first you setting start Teams, Windows, click on Microsoft Teams. Mac user, you can team use mobile user, tap on Teams icon, sign in Office, sign in your 365 username and password. You can enter that. Click on team left side, the app, choose the team, choose the channel and explore convergence of files. After that, you can teams and channels. Select create teams. You can create a teams, and the teams of list, you enter your short name, just like a staff, just like a FY class, SY class, TY class. You can type there your short name, FY BCom, SY BCom, just like you type your team and not team name. Additional people, you can add the people just like him. After finishing the presentation, I will show how to work the uh, Teams application, how to see the different work. Adding people in Teams. After you create a room, means team, then you can add the people you want. Using email ID, you can add the people to the Teams. After that, you create a channel for Teams. Select row into Teams and then add the channels and the description of channels and add the numbers. You can add the different number of channels in Teams software. Then meeting in Teams, join a Teams on your schedule. You can schedule the meeting just like select meeting, choose on a meeting who will be joined, and select the join the meeting. If you want to join, you can join the meeting. Schedule the meeting means you schedule the class timetable. Select meeting, select schedule meeting, then time, start date, end date, enter name, people invite, who are the coming that meeting. Just like if you are creating a FY class, then you invite a FY student, not all. And you create a staff, you can create a staff for only that meeting. That type you schedule the meeting before 1 hour, 1 day, 2 day, 4 day, what you want, you can create before the meeting. If you save the meeting that schedule, that time 1 and a half, oh sorry, half hour, you have one uh, indication your meeting will be start in so and so timing. That's why you schedule the meetings in Teams count. You select start a meeting, select video icon in new conversation, select video icon existing conversation to keep all context. In your in your video preview, create a name for the meeting and select meet now. Select name of the team's member who you want to invite to the meeting. Join meeting. You can join the meeting with the help of the participation. Look out the video icon convocation to find the meeting. Select jump to participation in the meeting. These are the small icon you can see there. Then share files and chats. You can share files to the students, to the invitees of meeting. Click on teams, select teams and channels. In compose box, you can out your message and click on send. Everyone see the message, or you can send privately to specific person. This person will be see the chatting messages. Start conversion with the person or select the group. Click on chat button, tap application. In promote, type person on or people want to begin chatting. In the complete box, type your message and click and send. Replying the conversation, if you write on that chat what you want, the person will be second person will be replay your message as like see on that icon, replay, just like email. uh, Using GIF image in your chat box. uh, Everyone knows in WhatsApp which emoji files and animations means GIF images you can share. Also you can share the files in channel. In the channel conversion, click on choose file under the message compose box, select a file, click on open, and then send the file to specific. Just if you have notes, then you can send the student in one click to all student to notes PDF format. Also word format is there. Collaborating, a Microsoft team, mention at someone, just someone box is there. In the compose box, type the address symbol, then type first letter of person. Can you can also at the rate mention enter terms channels, then select the person replying the message. Many people you want to include. Notification, click on activity, feed everything happens on channels following you. Click further types of feed. Select the feed my activity. See a list of everything you have been jointly in teams. Such Search for images, peoples, or files. Type or phrase keyword into box the tab of the application. Press enter. Select messenger people or files tab. Select on atom in the search in the result, or you can click on filter to refine your search engine. Thank you. there is a means my presentation is over, but I saw I I see to how to work the the uh, Teams application will be there. I will see you. Uh, First, this types of icon will be generated if you install Teams software. You can start Teams. This icon will be means created. I created TYIT just like and upload class material, help finding. This activity you can start activity. If you want chat, you can open chat box. You can hi there and send on everyone say, see the messages. Assignments you want to see the assignment. If you want to search the people, you can type here just like you can type people just like type here. Wait, I will talk. Just people will be there, file will be upload here. You can type here any at the rate, suppose at the rate, uh, just like you search people to join them, and everything will be joined. Assignment, calendar, you can schedule the meeting. You saw see their calendar, which time you have meeting. Calls, you can calls personally, speed dial, new dial. Files, you can upload the files. Add cloud-based Microsoft Teams, you download file here. uh, then many applications will be there. You can use different applications, search that application. Webex, that's many applications. You can use the Teams software. After that, you can activity. There is a major chat box. There is chat box. There is Teams. When I start, upload the class material. You can add the post, file, class notebook, assignment, grades. Everything will be there. You can post that class-wise post. If you have, I have created one staff uh, group. In that staff group I will type sometimes that type hi, everybody knows hi. These are the team software. I will i will explain you. Thank you once again to uh, uh, Savantwadi College, Savantwadi College, to invite me as a resource person. Thank you. Thank you very much.